Did you know that people will literally throw away free money just to prove a point? There's this famous experiment called the ultimatum game that proves it. Here's how it works. I give you $10 and tell you to offer some of it to a stranger. They can either accept your offer and you both keep your money, or reject it and you both get nothing. Basic economics says people should accept any offer, right? Even $1 is better than zero. But here's what actually happens. If you offer less than $3, most people will reject it. They'd rather get nothing than accept what feels unfair. This happens everywhere in real life. Salary negotiations where people walk away from decent offers, business deals that fall apart over small amounts, family fights over inheritance where everyone ends up with less. Your brain values fairness more than money, which makes sense when you're building long-term relationships, but it can backfire in one-time situations. Next time you're negotiating, ask yourself, am I rejecting this because it's actually bad, or just because it feels unfair?